July 20. I already it's good for now. It's so Hope everyone is doing good today. It is Saturday, July 29th. 2 more days and it's going to be August already. Can you believe that? We are past half a year. It's crazy. Time is just going by super fast. I was doing a little bit of planning. I have my little planner and it is the Passion Planner. I love it. It's a daily planner. Basically, it has my little to-do list divided in different categories. Like my goals, these are like the most important things that I want to get done in the day. Personal, work. I usually do like self-care stuff here. And then just some little prompts as well. And I have this blank, so some soul journal. I love planning. I have to do it because otherwise I'm not gonna get stuff done. So having a little to-do list separated this way really helps me. But in this video, we're gonna be doing a weekly reset. So I also have a little to-do list drawn up right here. For my weekly reset, I like to clean my house, which I pretty much already did yesterday. I had the time. I didn't get to record it, so I'm sorry. But yeah, I only have 2 more things that I like to do, which is I want to clean my pantry or like at least organize it, and my fridge as well, because I have a bunch of random stuff that I need to throw out. I like to do that every week, but I've kind of been lazy the last 2 weeks, so it's bad. I also need to put away laundry. I gotta do that. I have to plan my week and my goals for the week. This week is gonna be a little bit of a different week because we're taking a little trip to Orlando. We're gonna go see my husband's favorite soccer team. We're gonna go there for 2 days, which is good because then by the end of the summer, I would have gone on a little trip and done something fun. I also need to choose a new book to read. I have been in my reading era. Hold on. I got a little Kindle. I wanted a Kindle for so long and my dad bought me one for Amazon Prime Day. So I have been in my reading era. I also need to clean my car. It's a must. I need to do some meal prepping, probably just breakfast, and I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow, which is Sunday. I already got groceries for the week, but I was missing some things. So we're gonna tackle the closet, meaning our laundry first. It gets messy quick. And I just have a bunch of random stuff in laundry and stuff like that. But let's tackle it together. Such a pretty dress. And it's such a cute pattern too. Dress, and even still has the tag from TJ Maxx. I love it. It's so pretty, but it's pretty much like completely see-through. So I have to wear the right undergarments with it. Look at this dress. It's so pretty. Another beautiful dress. She gave me so many pretty dresses. And we're all done. I also changed my clothes into some comfy ones. This area right here is the cutest because I have those shoes over here. I would say it's the only section of my closet that's actually cute and pretty. My closet's not real aesthetic, but most closets aren't, and that is just a reality. Maybe one day. But for now, I need that storage space. Since I'm on a roll with the cleaning situation, I'm gonna go ahead and tackle the fridge and the pantry. The fridge is so bad right now. Pantry is not too bad. Just a couple of things to fix it up. fridge is all done. It looks so much better now. I placed some waters over there. I have my fruit over here, just random stuff. I don't have a lot of food because we're going on that little trip I told you all about. So this is all we need for the rest of the week. Okay, this could be better. There we go. That looks a little better. This just goes over here. It's good for now. Forgot that I also have to meal plan. So I'm gonna plan my week, my goals, and my meals for the week probably tonight. And I will meal prep tomorrow, which is Sunday. And that's probably gonna be tonight too. So we'll get most of my stuff done today.
17, please 15, 32, service to right.
It's time to choose a book to read. It's so cute. I already read this book, but it is one of my favorites. I love this book. The Love Hypothesis. The book that I'm going to be reading over the next couple of weeks is going to also be by the same author, Ailey Hazelwood. Her books are great. They're romance and they are kind of like in the field of STEM, but it's not on the Kindle Unlimited app, so I will have to buy it. It's $11 if I buy it on the Kindle, and then on paperback it's like $13. So for $2 more, I'd rather actually get the book because I know that I'm going to like it. I already have 2 of her books, so I wouldn't mind a 3rd one. Let's mark, plan my week, my goals. I also meal planned. Technically, I chose a new book to read, so let me just check this off as well. just checked off the last things that I finished off for my weekly reset. A weekly reset isn't about doing all of the things that you need to do in one day, in one go. You can work on your weekly reset however you want. If it needs to be on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it literally be Wednesday, like right in the middle of the week. Why not have yourself a little reset in the middle of your week? My weekly reset usually consists of pretty much like 3 days. I start on Friday, I'll end on Sunday, sometimes even on Monday. But I got it done. And these are just things that I like to do on a weekly basis, give or take. Today, my husband cleaned the car, so I didn't actually have any clips for that. And the meal prepping was pretty much just my breakfast and my lunch for tomorrow for work. I made a little oatmeal for breakfast. It has hemp seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, a little bit of honey. Ooh, I forgot to add blueberries. I definitely needed those blueberries, so that's gonna be much, much better. You also saw me water my plants. I got the remaining of my groceries, and I found the book that I'm gonna be reading this week, next week. I don't know, however long it takes me to read it. Love Theoretically. Her style of writing is really captivating, so that's what I like about her as an author.